Bathroom basins are more than just functional fixtures. They're statement pieces that set the tone for your entire bathroom. With so many styles, shapes and materials available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. So today we're going to break down everything you need to know to find the perfect bathroom or vanity basin for your home. Let's start with the most common types of bathroom basins. Vanity basins are installed into or on top of a vanity unit. Wall-hung basins and vanities are mounted directly to the wall, making them perfect for smaller bathrooms. Above-counter basins sit on top of the vanity and make a bold design statement. These are especially popular in modern bathrooms. And finally, under-counter basins are installed below the bench top for a seamless finish. They're easy to clean and offer a sleek, understated aesthetic. Measure your space carefully and think about how much bench top area you'll need for everyday use. Don't forget to pair your basin with the right tapware. Whether it's wall mounted, basin mounted or even vanity mounted, make sure the height and spout reach suit the basin to avoid splashing. Explore the wide range of bathroom basins available at bathwaredirect.com.au.